Motherfucker. Oh my fucking god. I fucking made it, bitch. Sorry, I'm too excited. Ignore my dirty face, man, because I was working fucking 6 hours. And today 6 hours. And look. Whew, it's separated, man. Engine is separated from the transmission. So yeah, my first car, man, my first engine replacement. So man, it took me so long. I didn't learn from anybody. I am self-taught. So yeah, and I'm steaming when I'm talking because it's cold as F. I will tell you what I did. So first of all, I had to remove the front cover as here, front cover, then goes the headlights, then bumper, uh, and after bumper front subbar, and after that engine mounting on one side, and on the other side transmission mounting. So yeah, you need to remove it. You need to remove it like this. So yeah, after that I lower the subframe. uh, 4 bolts you need to unscrew. I unscrewed the 3 because I couldn't get to one, so I dropped it like this. I hope nothing breaks. So yeah, and as you can see, the subframe here, right there, bolts. Then but after before the transmission I had to remove the CV joints, the all axle from the I had a hard time by removing the lower CV joint. This one, I had to remove the lower control arm bolt right there because I didn't want to remove these bolts because then I will be need alignment. So yeah, also remove all the wiring and stuff, coolant. By the way, on this Ford you don't need to remove the uh, shifter stick. Uh, Shifter stick you don't need to remove, and you don't need to remove that bolt, steering bolt, and it's a mess. It's a bitch. It's a mess. Next day I will be removing this will be lifting up this engine. So before that I will go buy a chain or some belt. So but before that I will remove these hydraulic lifters. I don't know, I forget the name, man. So and I will be removing this hood because you need to uh, belt or chain goes from engine mount to the all the way around the engine. So and then will be a stick. And so yeah, and then like a first time I threw it, I had a really hard time, but I could do it. I didn't know anything about the removing the engines, but yeah, just for future, if you don't have anything to do, try it. If you have free time, spare time, do it. If not, if you have in a day from 3 to 4 hours free, I wouldn't recommend, but if you want, Go do it, man. Do what you like to do, man. And then I am happy. I will upload this video, then I will upload maybe photos of all, so still nobody watching, so yeah, let's motherfucking go home, eat, sleep, repeat, work. So yeah, bye.